Buster Noble back at it. I'm going to be doing another Pompadour today. I'm going to be using my Suavecito matte hold because I got actually a little bit of residual pomade left in my hair still. So it's going to be a pretty easy time. Never used matte before, so it's supposed to help do everything a oil base does, but no oil. So we're going with Suavecito matte, and just to match up with that Santo Roble collection I had. If it's still available, you should go check it out, because we're also going to be going with the filament hold as well. As always, you're going to need to start with a blow dryer, a wire brush, a brush, slotted vents in the back, a pick, a rake comb. We're going to go on high heat, low speed. Time to actually apply some pomade. This is what it looks like. Matte pomade is always like this. As far as the feel, I have no idea, to tell you the truth. It's very creamy. Like, is that the word I'm supposed to use? Depending how I do this is gonna be the best or the worst pomp I've ever had. Round two. It's hot. So we're gonna just do like a scoop or so, and then we're gonna let it cool off before we actually finish. You'll see. Scoop. So I'm back. Hair's nice and cool. It's actually ready to comb. I'm gonna start with my rake comb. It's gonna cover the most area at once. And I'm just gonna focus on slicking it up and back. Not necessarily slicking straight back, you want it to pomp up. So everything's in place to a degree. We're just gonna lock it all in. I'm not actually combing super heavy. I'm just taking the top layer of everything and working it in. I'm gonna do the same here. Really, I could just focus on my sides and back. The top will get put into place multiple times throughout the night, but pretty happy. So the real test is gonna be later tonight. I've never done this. I'm used to having lots of oil. I got almost none, and also never used one of these products.
So there you have it. I'm pretty sure I'd be using this again. It held up all day. I didn't have a problem with my hair. It stayed solid throughout. Get yourself some matte pomade. I might have found out something new about myself. Pause. Bye.